Hi guys, how's it going? So it's another warm day here in Utah. I mean, it's September, but still pretty warm. So I have my garage doors closed. I have the fans going and I have the AC actually off because with the heat and how large this is, it will take it a while to cool the room down. But that's not the topic. The topic is this here. So this is the really good product that a while ago I got sent from SUMA, and it's a ceramic spray, and I used it on my Mustang or my Shelby here, and it was really good. So I might or might not go to a car show with my town car. Here you see the town car this weekend. So I want the town car to look good. So I thought, why not take this product here and spray it on, and the car will be ready. And I think I used this to tell you again about this product, how much I liked it. And no, I'm not getting paid by those guys, so that's not why. I really like it. So all you have to do is wash and dry your car, spray SUMA directly on the car, and wipe to ensure SUMA is applied evenly using a microfiber towel or sponge. And that's what I did last time. Go ahead and look at the video. And you know what I love about this? You don't have that haze on the car that you have to polish out after you applied it. That is something I really appreciate. So it makes life so much easier. Okay, well, why don't we get started? Here, I got a microfiber towel right here. Let's fold it a little bit different because every microfiber towel has 4 sides. And then you flip it around, and so it has 8 sides. So we'll do that. Okay, let's do this. I cannot film the whole time because that just doesn't work. I'm like one hand, I don't have a cameraman here. So I'm gonna put the camera in the other hand and I'll spray this on, and then I'll show you the result and we'll see what the car looks like. Okay, and I think this will do it. Look at that. I mean, this was super quick, and man, it was just easy and satisfying to put that product on. And if you look at it, you can see a couple imperfections like here, but that's something that's was a little dirty in the chrome there. I forgot it out good. So, but it looks good. So why don't we do this, guys? Let's take the town car out and film it outside in the sun and see how the car shines. So let's do that. I can tell you it is really smooth. I mean, if you put something on the hood, yeah, it will slide straight down. I mean, it's that smooth. It's just perfect. There's a little cloud there. I'm going to touch that up right now before I forget. Yeah, I almost emptied the bottle. Of course, there's a lot in the bottle, but I've already used that a couple of times for the Tesla and the Mustang, so the Shelby. And you know, I'm just gonna buy me a new bottle because I really appreciate it, how good this product works. So I want to have a bottle. I'll buy me another one. Let's see if the cloud is gone. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Looks a lot better. Okay, that's gone. And yeah, All right, let's drive to a parking lot or just in driveway. I'll see what a good location is and film the car from outside. So hang in there, guys. I'll be right back. Guys, I am very happy with the result. So you have to know the town car has never been clay barred, had never had any major work done with the paint. So for that, this is a great result. I mean, most times I hand wash it. A lot of times I also go through an automatic car wash. So there are swirl marks in it, and I do use products on it to get rid of the swirl marks. But mostly the town car is original, except for when the deer hit it. So the bumper here and some parts got repainted. But yeah, it is really, really good. I mean, this is a very nice shine, and if you touch it, it feels smooth, super, super smooth. Yeah, there you have it. That was my ceramic detail of the Lincoln town car. This is an 07 town car, signature limited. Watch the reviews if you haven't done that yet, and if you're interested in the car. Until next time, I wish you a wonderful time, and hang in there, be safe, and please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. So be good, and see you soon on my channel.